Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are taking cream cheese and heavy whipping cream and creating the ultimate whipped cream cheese pound cake. This is like, you guys, the texture is amazing and it's easy. Let's go. Okay, we're going to start with our heavy whipping cream. It's nice and cold. Go ahead and pour it into a large bowl. And next we're going to get our mixer and we are just going to mix until that cream becomes nice and fluffy and looking like this right here with those nice stiff peaks. Perfect. This is done. Go ahead and set it aside. We're going to move on to our fats. Yes, because pound cake needs some fat, honey. More fat, the better. So I'm adding some butter flavored shortening in a bowl. Then I'm going to add my butter that's just softened. Unsalted, softened, unsalted butter. Girl, get it together. And some cream cheese. Make sure it's nice and soft now, room temperature. All right, every ingredient room temperature here. Go ahead and just mix this up until it is combined and looking like one. It kind of reminds me of like a frosting. Like it looks like it would be really sweet. I want to eat it. Okay, next we're going to move on to our sugar. We're going to sweeten it on up, and pound cake has a lot of sugar, so don't be alarmed, okay? It's a pound cake. It's going to have a lot of sugar. Go ahead and dump that sugar in, and we're going to mix this like on medium, low, medium. You don't want to go crazy because we don't want those little gluey streaks in our pound cake, which comes from going crazy with that mix, all right? So don't do it. We're going to add our eggs in one at a time, room temperature eggs here. Mix it up just like that. Easy peasy, you know. Okay, so that looks great. There's our batter when all those eggs are mixed in. And now we're going to add in just a little bit of lemon extract to kind of bump up that cream cheese flavor a little bit. And we're going to add in some vanilla extract. And go ahead and just stir that right on in. Pound cakes are so easy. I love making them because they're so easy. Okay, here's our dry ingredients. I have flour. I'm going to add in some baking powder and a little bit of salt. Dump that in and whisk it on together. Get everything combined. You can use a whisk or you can sift it if you want to. And now I'm just going to mix my dry ingredients into my wet ingredients. Like, I would seriously pay somebody to do this for me, you guys. I don't know why I don't like doing this. I know I complain about this in all of my cake videos, but y'all don't understand. I just don't like doing this part for some reason. It's just, I don't know. I don't know. But go ahead and just mix it on up. You're going to need a little elbow grease because this batter is beastly, honey. It's a lot of batter. But that looks perfect. Nice and fluffy. That's the way it should look. Like that, okay? Lovely, lovely, lovely. Now, this is our cue to add in our heavy whipping cream that we made earlier. Go ahead and dump that right into the batter and just fold it in. Don't crank up that mixer. Just kind of fold it in. And then we're going to plop this into our pan, which I definitely overfloured, honey. This is a lot of flour in this pan. Go ahead and just dump that in your prepared pan. Give it a little shake and a pop and a drop and a twerk to make sure you get all of those air bubbles out and that you get it nice and level. And now we're going to pop this into our preheated oven. I have my oven at 325. We're going to bake it for about 90 minutes. When it comes out, let it sit in the pan until the pan is cool to the touch or warm to the touch. And then you can go ahead and just flip it out very, very carefully, just like that. And then we're going to let it cool off completely. Look at that, way too much flour. I had so much flour on this cake. We're going to make a glaze while it's cooling off, okay? There's some cream cheese, a little bit of powdered sugar. And then we're going to add in, stir it on up just like that until it's nice and creamy. And then we can add in our heavy whipping cream, just enough to get it pourable, okay? You want to be able to pour. There's a healthy splash of vanilla extract going in. You want this texture right here, okay? You may need 3 tablespoons of cream. You may need 4. I usually use between 3.5 and 4. Okay, now it's going to drizzle this on. And one thing I love about this cream cheese glaze, it's optional of course, but I like that it hardens up because most cream cheese glazes, they tend to stay kind of soft, you know, but this one hardens up so beautifully. I love it. So just drizzle it on any way you want to. I don't know what I was doing, honey. There was no rhyme or reason to this. Then we're going to let it sit until it hardens, and then you are ready to serve it up. And can we just take a moment? Let's just take a moment to look at the inside of this cake. Y'all, this texture is ridiculous, okay? Texture, texture, texture. This cake is perfect for shipping to like family and friends of the holidays because it stays soft and moist for like so many days. Like, yeah, okay? Tender, tender, tender. You can serve it up with some berries, some cream, ice cream. It's just a really, 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 really good cream cheese pound cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Look at that, honey. Look at that. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know when I post new videos. Later.